my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it.
Hey guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Holley Terminator X Max ECU. Now before I get to the unboxing, I want to start and say a couple things. I ordered this ECU through a guy, his name is Cody Queensberry. He works up in Utah and owns Straight Line Solutions. They helped me out to get a really good deal, and they were my associate for dealing through Holley. He cut me a deal better than what Holley was going to cut me, so thanks. And I want to give him a big shout out for Straight Line Solutions. He helped me, and I'm pretty sure he's going to be helping me with learning to tune this ECU, so make sure you go check him out on Facebook and online. Now, the big thing I want to talk about. I want to get this out before any of y'all start watching this video. I have a 97 Mustang that has a 97 4R70W. The 98s and above have a different trans harness. Most of you know this, same as the 9904 Mustangs. I had to order a new a new trans harness. You think that'd be a thing? The kit comes with a 9904 harness. You think they would just switch it out? That is not the truth. I talked to a tech guy, a Holley tech representative, and was told 2 weeks ago, before I ordered this ECU, that it was possible for them to swap the harnesses and that it would be of no cost to me. So then I paid to have the ECU ordered, and as I said, Cody was great. He worked through everything for me. He called me up and he's like, we've got an issue. Holley says they're not going to swap out the harness. They can't. You have to buy another one. So I went back and I called the tech line again to talk to the same tech guy. He said again that they will switch it out. So I gave such and such his name, and they went about it. Well, I was then informed 3 days later, because Holley is so slow on their customer service and lacking for ability, that they were not going to supply me with the harness, and I had to purchase their $150 trans harness and still get the other harness. So I will no longer be dealing with Holley for any of my needs. I will be dealing through other people, but Holley will not directly get my money ever again. I am displeased with their service, and I hope I never have to use their tech service ever again. And honestly, it almost turned me away from their product, and if MicroSquirt would have, or MegaSquirt would have had a trans control option, my money would have been on MegaSquirt. And that's, personally to me, I know Holley is best in class in a lot of things, but your customer service says a lot about you. And if you don't have good customer service, I really don't want to work with you. But now that I got that all the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and we're going to go ahead and get into this. Alright guys, so now we're going to be opening the first package here, and I've got my scissors, and we're going to go ahead and get this open. Pretty sure this is the trans harness. And we'll see. Go ahead and get it open here. My box unboxing skills are not that great, but we'll go ahead and get such and such open. So, as you can see, bubble wrap, and bubble wrap. Alright, so we've got the Holley box, which has no part numbers on it. And here you go. It is the trans harness for the 97 to 92, and as I can see, I really don't see anything I couldn't have. I really absolutely need it, but I've got some outputs here that I had to put in, I guess we'll find out. So this one's a trans harness. Tells me everything I need here. So there's that one. And now, without further ado, you got the big box here. We're going to go ahead and open it. And we're going to go ahead and show y'all. Get this open. Alright, so now me struggling with a box, typical. We'll just do it this way. Over. Alright, so now we got the box. And of course it says handle with care. So we're going to go ahead and open this one. Alright, put it in this easy choose out kit. Right there. Go ahead and hit this across the bottom. Open it up. And first off, we have this one is the engine harness, I do believe. Yeah, here's the temp sensor, the math, relays, cables, okay. This one will be the trans harness. Yep, there's the trans harness. Here is the injector harness and the coil harnesses. Here's the power harness, and only a single wideband. I thought it would be a dual. That's okay. I must have been wrong on that one. There's a 3.5 LCD display. Here's the I have to look at the part number. This is okay. And here's the ECU itself, I do believe. Let's go ahead and get this one open. And as soon as I find my scissors, we'll go ahead and. So honestly, it shouldn't take this long to install this. But I have a bunch of stuff I have to get done before. So we're going to see. We're going to go from there. Okay, what am I doing? And here we go. Here is what you've been awaited for, is your Holley Terminator Max. So I'm going to mount it hopefully like this with the dash. So we're going to see, and what is in this? This one is the Coil 8-channel coil driver, no harness. So we'll go ahead and open that. Wrapped in plastic. Oh no. And here are your coil drivers. So here's your ignition coil drivers, which, if I'm correct, these are to run your wasted spark coils, which should be what this little harness here was for. Who knows? I'll get it sorted all out and we'll get it figured out. But as you can see, all your nice bundles of wire here come nicely loomed, and we're going to go through the manual and figure out what all I need. So remember, until next time, be savage.